Hi there, this is Mitch Schneider here. For all of you who have gone to Amazon and downloaded uh, Misfire, What to Do When Things Aren't Running on All Cylinders, or for those of you who have actually purchased the paperback, I wanted to stop and say thank you. Uh, I know how much that means in a busy, unrelenting world, and it means a lot to me that you've taken the time to do that. And it feels kind of uncomfortable asking for something more than that. But if you've downloaded uh, or purchased a paperback and you've read it and you liked what you read, if the story resonated for you, if it was meaningful, I wish you'd just take another moment and go back to the Amazon site and leave a review. You know, as the old axiom says, if you like what you saw and it meant something to you, share it on Amazon, review the book, and let other folks know how you feel. And if you have a problem with what you read, let me know. I would love to hear what your reactions are. So those reviews are really critically important in order for us to get Misfire's message out into the world. Thanks for listening. I hope you'll take a moment and actually do that. Bye bye.